Hey everybody. These are a few video clips from a trip my wife and I took to Frankfort, Kentucky over this past summer. Now these video clips, I didn't even upload these until several weeks after our trip to Frankfort. So I had no idea what was even in these clips. But when I saw them, there was one clip in particular that was absolutely gold, and I knew I had to do something with it. So here are the clips, and enjoy.
Another old historic West Lindsay house, 1820. Well, I'm not making it very far today. There's so much to see. I think I've gone a half mile and I've stopped probably a dozen times to look at stuff, so. Kentucky River. And here's the Kentucky State Capitol building under construction. I did not know they were doing that. Here's the Kentucky floral clock. So this is a Frank Lloyd Wright house here in Frankfort. This is the design for this house, came from the Chancellorship Board meeting in 1910 of Reverend Ziegler of the city with Frank Lloyd Wright, the internationally known architect. So this is the only Frank Lloyd Wright home in Kentucky. Found this little spot, go underneath the bridge, it takes you up to the Capitol, and then it takes you down right next to the Kentucky River.
So I feel like I need to set up this next clip. And the next clip is the one that I was talking about in the beginning of the video that I said was gold. And it absolutely is, and it's hilarious. My wife and I have been riding around for a while in downtown Frankfort, and I hadn't been taking much video. I wasn't feeling very YouTube-y. And so I turned the GoPro on here, and I heard the hooting and hollering behind me, but I had no idea what was going on. So apparently these people weren't happy that I had turned that GoPro on and decided to moon me and give me the finger. And I thought it was hilarious. I didn't know what I was going to do with the clips, but I thought it was funny and figured I'd post it up here on YouTube finally. And why not finish up a ride like this at Buffalo Trace Distillery for a few drinks?